Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Academy. On the previous module you learned about the type of data that we will be working on QGIS. Today we will be working on one of the data, that is vector data. Especially we are going to work with shapefile, and we will be learning two basic things: how to export the shapefile into QGIS, that is the vector data, into QGIS, exporting data into QGIS, and making some edit. There are three different ways that you can extract data as a shapefile or a vector data on QGIS. The first one is going through your browser panel. Go to the file where you have the shapefile. The browser panel will direct you to the file. Drag it over here and you will get your shapefile. Similarly, if you want other shapefile over here, then you can drag it and your shapefile will appear. It will appear on the layer. This is the first step in which you can extract your shapefile. The other step is there is a icon on your side toolbar. Click on that. Now it shows the what type of data that we want to extract. Today we will be extracting vector data. Similar process for raster data also. For vector data we are working with a shapefile. We will be extracting shapefile, so it will provide through your source. You can go to your source where you have the shapefile. You can click the shapefile, open, add, and in this way you can add your vector data through this icon. And the other process for extracting your data is you can directly extract your shapefile. Such as if I want to extract this into my QGIS, I will select this shapefile and drag it to QGIS. Yes, you can extract your data through this way. One through the browser panel, the other step is through this icon. The other simple step is dragging it to your QGIS. In this way you can extract data into QGIS. Now let's make some edit on this data. Do not make edit with your original shapefile. You have to have a backup of the original shapefile, otherwise you will get the original shapefile edited. This will be saved as your original shapefile, so have a backup of the original shapefile and only begin editing. So maintain backup for the original file. Now we want to select the individual. For selecting an individual feature, you will get this icon, select feature by area, like click. You can select by polygon, by freehand or radius, or generally select features. When I select features, if you see the attributes table is basically a collection of the shapefile. It shows about the detail of the shapefile. I was selecting a polygon of province number 3. If I click here, I will select polygon 1. This is just about the selection of the individual polygon and the shapefile. This is this selection features is generally about how to select the individual polygon on the shapefile. If you want to undo this, you can click here and it will undo the selected features. The other thing is right click on this layer, go to properties, and you will obtain various information over the layer properties. There will be information about the file, which file it is, what coordinate system it refers to. Source is generally about the coordinate reference system, and basically I am going to tell you, I will be telling you about the symbology, how to change the symbol, how to make the shapefile transparent, only visible with the outer boundaries. For symbology, there will be this icon. Select on this, you will be provided with various options: single symbol, categorized, graduated. Generally we will be working with single symbol and categorized data. You can explore the other ones too. Today we will be dealing with single symbol. Single symbol just refers to giving a single identity to the shapefile, such as filling the shapefile with the individual color. If I select apply, you can see that it had changed the fill color of the shapefile. Now if I want to remove the color, I can fill color, select transparent fill and apply. You can see that this layer is transparent. This will be more clear if I drag one of the shapefile for you. Okay, I want to make this layer transparent. Similar process, select on properties, right click, select on properties, you will obtain this Symbology. Go to select on simple fill, where you will obtain fill color, and that select transparent fill, apply, and you can see the fill, it is transparent fill now. Now if I want to see the polygon, province polygon highlighted over the district polygon, then select on properties. Now it's a fill. In fill, I'll change the fill color, the outline color I'll change to red, and I'll also change the thickness. You can change the thickness over here, stroke width, apply, okay. As you can see, I have made some edit where I have generally changed the color of the shape file, individual polygon shape file. As a whole, I have changed the color, and I have made the shape file transparent as well as visible. This is one thing, and the other thing is, if I want to show an individual color into my shape file, then at first I will remove this. Similar process. Now select on properties. Now you will be selecting categorize, and we will be assigning what values are classifying. For title, we will be using random color, classify, and if I select apply, you can see that I have my polygons of various color categorized. Each province is represented by each unique color. Let's change it to single color. I want to make it transparent for now. Now I want to delete all other polygons, and I want to keep only this polygon. For that, the same process, select features. By selecting it, you will get this pencil look like icon, that is toggle editing. Click on that, you will obtain this red mark. Before that, by selecting the features only, you will not obtain the red mark, but by clicking on this toggle editing, you can obtain the red marks. If you want to delete this, suppose I want to keep only this, then I will be deleting this. Select on this, delete, select on this, delete, select on this, oh I want to keep that, select on this, delete, select on this, delete, select on this, delete. To save it, you can icon named current edit, click on that and save for all layer. It will save your edit. These are the basic edits for your shape file. You can learn more by doing it by yourself. Try it, and do not forget to subscribe if you like our videos.